Hello and welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we'll show you how to install a SATA drive in the OWC Mercury Elite Pro USB 3.0 +1 enclosure. For this video, we're going to install a 3.5-inch standard drive. If you want, you can install a 2.5-inch SSD with a 3.5-inch adapter. Either way, the process is the same. We've gathered all our materials and are working on a soft, static-free work surface. We're now ready to begin. In order to open the enclosure, we'll first need to remove the 2 Phillips screws on the bottom. Once the screws have been removed, place the enclosure flat on your work surface and open it by gently but firmly pushing on the end with the connectors. You should then be able to slide the outer shell right off. Inside, there'll be a packet of silica gel, which we won't need, and a small bag of screws for the drive. The connector in the Elite lines up with the connectors on the drive. Move the wire for the activity light out of the way, then set the drive into the chassis so that the connectors line up and slide the drive into place. There are 2 rubber gaskets on each side of the chassis that line up with the mounting holes on the drive. Put the mounting screws through the gaskets and into the drive. Be sure to tighten the screws in all the way so they don't stick out when you replace the outer shell. We're now ready to seal up the enclosure. Along one of the edges, there's a pair of raised screw holes. These need to line up with the holes in the outer shell. Make sure that the holes in the chassis are on the same side as the holes in the outer shell. Then, slide the shell back onto the chassis the same way it came off. Finally, replace the 2 screws in the bottom that you removed earlier. The drive is now installed and ready to attach to your computer.